We'll get the good sear going on here. Got a couple pork chops, and you're wondering what that seasoning is. Well, if you read the title, it's a little bit of Slap Your Mama from Walker & Sons out of Louisiana. Cajun seasoning out of Louisiana. So we'll get this nice and hot. Close this up and we'll come back. Alright, we're over 400 degrees. Let's see what it looks like on the first side. I'm going to use this plastic spatula. Turn it. Looking a little dry. But doing this here on the Lodge skillet griddle. I love that thing. If you're wondering what Slap Your Mama, why it's called that, I'll read this to you if you have not seen it before. It says ingredients are salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. Alright, so here's the story. 1956, a woman named Wilda gave birth to the creator of this award-winning seasoning blend. Every time she uses it, she receives a loving slap on the back and a kiss on the cheek, thanking for another great tasting Cajun dish. Hence the name, Slap Your Mama. Certified Cajun. These chops were in a Ziploc bag with some apple juice in it, some Mott's apple juice, and it was in there all night, marinating, and then I brought it and let it sit till room temperature, let it sweat out a little bit, and I put that Slap Your Mama on there, and trying to get a little bit of a sear using this Lodge griddle. And after that, we're going to turn it down, wait for the 135 degrees. That's right, Slap Your Mama. That side's obviously hotter. So there's one right here. Alright, looks like these are within range, although they may not look like it. They are. It's white meat. It's pork. So. I'm going to take this in the house, wrap it up, throw some butter in there in the wrap, let it sit for 20 minutes, or 10 minutes maybe. Wrapped up, there's butter in there. And I'll just wait a good, however long I want to wait, but yeah, maybe 10-20 minutes. Alright, let's get a look at these chops. Put that right there. Open it up. Double wrap. Still hot. Doggy! Look at that! Looking beautiful. Let's just take a fork and get one off there. Get this one. Look at that. Keep that one wrapped up a little bit. Alright, thank you Jesus for what I'm about to receive. It appears slightly overcooked. Let's get a taster. Excuse me. Oh, heck yeah. Slap your mama. That is good. I really think that the marinade in the apple juice kind of countered the heat of the slap your mama. And I really like it. Very good. I was skeptical on this. I didn't know if it was going to turn out all that great, but it did. All right, folks, till next time, I'm Paulie.